How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and then also a happy new year to all of you guys. Now I don't really have like a confetti gun thing, so I'll probably just like add some effects for that, so woo, yay, woo. So yeah, anyway, happy new year to all of you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed your New Year's. You guys partied hard but stayed safe, and then also if you just stayed home, hopefully you had an awesome time as well. But firstly, I just want to thank you guys for all the support. I didn't do a thank you for 2018 video last year. Sounds so like crazy far gone. I mean, it was only yesterday, so but thank you for all the support, guys. Thank you for all of the views, subscribers, just for all of the support. I really do appreciate it, and hopefully we can continue with that in 2019. I do have a bunch of really a lot of stuff that I want to do in 2019, so hopefully we can achieve that and just have fun in the process. Now also, because it's a brand new year, usually we have like a New Year's resolution. I don't really have one this year. I just know I want to push a lot more videos and just a lot better quality, because 99% of the times we usually don't even come close to our New Year's resolution. I've had so many and I've never come close, so yeah, I'm not really gonna have one. But if you guys have actually completed your 2018 New Year's resolution, then that's all I can say. Congratulations. We kind of need more of you guys, because especially here in South Africa, it's not always going so great here. So we need somebody who can actually get something done. But anyway, also again, a lot of stuff that I have planned for 2019. Starting up, I am going to do a lot more videos, and then along with that, a lot more live streams. I really want to do a lot more like gaming streams with you guys, so I'm planning to do that a lot more. Now I'm going to start quite quickly, but I just want to give you guys some time to recover from your hangovers, because I know a bunch of you probably don't feel as well, as fresh today as you did yesterday. So hopefully you guys can recover quickly, and then we'll start with some of the live streams. Again, going to do that a lot more this year. And then next up, in 2018, I did also bring out my own merch. Now, I didn't really advertise it that much, but a lot of you guys did ask me in emails and online where you can get it, and I did sell a bunch of it to you guys. But I do still have some of it here, which you guys can buy if you want to. These ones are only available in South Africa because it's here with me. But I did also start an online store with a bunch of different merchandise that you guys can order, and those ones ships internationally. I am planning to add a lot more in the coming few days, months, weeks, I don't know, whatever. So if you guys want to get some merch, you can definitely check that out. But I'll just, for the ones that I have here, if you live in South Africa, these shirts, you've probably seen it already. The snap cap that I mostly wear like in every video. I do have like just a normal one as well, and then the white versions of the t-shirt. So the t-shirt's going for 150, snapback 130, the normal cap 100 rand. That's without shipping. So if you guys want to pick some of these up, mail me, and then we can sort that out for you guys. But again, international, check out the shop if you want to get some other merch. And then also along with that, I did start a Patreon page. I know a lot of you guys have also asked me about that, so I started a Patreon page. You can check that out in the link in the video description if you want to support the channel. YouTube isn't always as supportive on the smaller tech channels as I think they should, but yeah, if you guys want to support me, help me get actually some food and some more clothes, because I really don't buy clothes except my merch. So if you guys want to support me through that, definitely check out the link there. There's a bunch of different tiers where you can get some exclusive stuff like your own merch as well. You can live stream with me and just a bunch of different things. So if you want to support me, I really appreciate it. If you don't, then just watch my videos. That's always going to help me out a lot as well. But thank you so far. But now that is pretty much it. I do hope you guys enjoy this video and then all of the other videos that I bring out in the future. Hopefully we can just keep continuing making great content for you guys. Sometimes it is a bit hard to bring out a lot of content because it's we do tech, but it's kind of I do tech at the moment. So hopefully this year we can actually make that we do tech and hire some help to make some better quality videos for you guys. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any cool ideas for videos you want me to make in 2019, let me know down in the comments below, or if you have any other questions, let me know down there as well. Otherwise, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I don't really do anything on Facebook, but you can definitely check that out. And then also join our Discord down below. But thanks for watching, guys, and a happy new year to all of you guys. Hopefully you guys don't feel too bad and recover quickly after your night of partying. I feel fine, so thanks for watching, guys, and I will check all of you next time. Cheers, guys.